Okay, so today we're gonna put the Apple CarPlay on the 2016 Q5 Premium Concert Radio. Okay, so this is the 2016 Q5 with the Audi Concert. This one just a premium trim. So we're gonna put in the roll top CarPlay. Okay, the procedure is this. We're gonna remove this and the bottom one so we can access the 4-bolt to pull out the Audi Concert. So put this one in on the side here and just pry it lightly open, firmly. So now we can see 2 bolts up here. We're going to move this one on the bottom out so we can see the other 2 on the bottom. Okay, the same with this one. We pry it from the right side and we can pull it out. So now we can see another bolt here, another bolt here. So these are 8mm bolt. Okay, we need to put a screwdriver and pry this up so we can push this down and remove the connector. The same with this one. Okay, so with 10mm, this is an 8mm, and we can just take the 4 bolts out and slide it out. Okay, so when the 4 bolts are out, we can just slide this out like this. But we got to move this one all the way down to take it out. So in the back, we have this big one here. There's LVDS here. And we're going to remove all of these connectors. Okay, to remove this one, we press this to unlock it and then pull it up. Okay, so this is the main connector from the CarPlay, the cable, the splitter. So we're going to plug into the original one here. And this is the LVDS. We're going to plug into the original one. So now we plugged in the main cable, the LVDS. The other side of the LVDS, this one's going to go into the CarPlay. And this one will go into the head unit. So now we plug in the main and also the LVDS onto the head unit. And we're going to plug the rest into the CarPlay unit and then we can test it. And we plug in the USB and video cable, the LVDS, and the antenna for the Wi-Fi. So we plug in the external audio source to make sure that it's on. And then we can push the nav to see if it's on. It's not on. So we make sure we plug in the CAN bus. Okay, after we connected the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, it will come up. Okay, let's test the backup camera. It works. Okay, so in order to control the CarPlay with the knob or the steering wheel, we need to install this little board, green board, and follow the instruction on the internet from Roadtop, and it will work. All right, the cable is too short, so the best way we're gonna do is this. That's it. So this one we can use the mode to change, which is nice. And we can control it from here too. So it will show that the external audio source. So everything's working. Okay, let's do the final test. Press the nav and it come up. Okay. Now let's put in a backup camera and see if it works. Yep, it's working. Hey Siri, Costco.
One option I found is Costco Wholesale on Hesperian Boulevard in Hayward, about 3 miles to your north, and it gets 3.5 stars on Yelp.
Hey Siri,
Does that sound good?
play Spotify. So now we can check and see if this one is controlling here, which is good. Okay, let's try the Samsung phone and see if it works. So we connect to the CarPlay Wi-Fi, and it's 8888. So connect. Now we go to the Bluetooth. So we see the CarPlay here. Pair. Okay. So it does work. All right. It's pretty good. So this one also works with wireless Android.